Let's look at inventory from a national perspective, and you can see that supply has tightened for both new and used really over the last 4 to 8 weeks or so. As of right now, new days supply has declined about 7% over the most recent week, and it's now at the lowest level of the entire year. So all of 2024, new inventory is currently at its lowest levels. It's actually true for used as well. Used inventory was essentially flat against the latest week, and it is now down about 2% compared to 2023. But speaking of used, not only is search volume down, used inventory as a whole is down as well as new.
And if I saw correctly there, Phil, we are now below 2023 and we're dipping below 2021.
Correct. We're very close, almost dipping below. We're pretty much at a cross section between 2020, 2021, and now 2024. Looking at vehicle sales, this is why inventory has been dropping. Sales have picked up overall, very strong August. You can see new retail sales in August. Those have jumped up after the CDK shortage. New retail sales posted a very, very strong August. Likewise, used retail sales, if this is in part due to the CDK outage, but we have seen new and used retail sales really start to pick up throughout the last 4 weeks or so. But now that we are actually into September, will that momentum stay, or will that momentum ultimately dissipate as we head into the fall months?
And it's interesting too, when I go back to some of the articles I saw at the end of Q1 talking about the second half of the year slowing down in new car sales. I don't think that would surprise anybody, but it's interesting. It's like we almost forgot that we said that, and now all of a sudden factories are making less vehicles. I believe they're making less EVs more than anything, but they're making less vehicles, and we're kind of sitting there going, oh, we're selling less new vehicles. Phil, I'm going to speak more directly on taking the emotions of the dealers, right? Taking those phone calls. A lot more phone calls about, hey, my new sales are drying up. It's not been as much of this. And this is from also new prospects as well. Everybody kind of feeling that. And it's like, well, didn't we just 4 or 5 months ago say the fact that we knew that things were going to slow down in the second half of the year? And the factories mirrored that estimate by making less cars. So it's like we just forgot. We forgot what we said.
That we did. Automotive market moves fast.